Want the perfect TV viewing angle while keeping your space clean and clutter-free? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're taking a look at the mounting dream MD2380, a full-motion TV wall mount with smooth tilt, swivel, and extension. Its sturdy build, wide compatibility, and easy installation make it a great upgrade for any TV setup. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the mounting dream MD2380 TV wall mount. Mounting kit, screws and bolts, Allen and hex keys, installation template, user manual, product features. Easily tilt, swivel, and extend your TV to find the most comfortable viewing position. Whether you're watching from the couch, dining area, or another corner of the room, the flexible design helps reduce glare and provides a better viewing experience. Made from heavy-duty steel, the mount is designed to provide reliable strength and long-lasting performance. Its solid construction keeps your TV securely in place while allowing smooth and stable movement during adjustments. The MD2380 is compatible with a variety of TV sizes and VESA mounting patterns, making it suitable for many flat and curved TVs. Its versatile design allows it to work with a wide range of home entertainment setups. The mount is designed for a quick and hassle-free installation process, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced DIY users. Its user-friendly design helps you securely mount your TV with minimal effort and time. Technical specifications. How to install. Locate a wood stud or solid concrete or brick wall and mark the mounting holes using the wall plate as a guide. Drill the required holes, then securely fasten the wall plate with the appropriate hardware, ensuring it is level before tightening. Secure the mounting brackets to the back of your TV. Use the correct screws, washers, and spacers for your TV's VESA mounting pattern. Tighten all hardware firmly while avoiding over-tightening. Carefully lift the TV and hook the brackets onto the wall plate until they lock securely into place. Verify that the safety locks are fully engaged, then adjust the tilt, swivel, extension, and level to achieve the ideal viewing angle. Route the cables neatly for a clean, professional finish. Safety tips. Verify wall strength. Check weight and size limits. Use proper hardware. Secure all fasteners. Handle the TV carefully. Inspect regularly. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.